Lawmakers successfully passed a child support enforcement bill yesterday. The bill will bring Idaho into agreement with a federal act to enforce collecting child support in other states and even countries. Today, Governor Butch Otter said he will sign it as soon as it arrives on his desk. Eyewitness News reporter Natalie Shaver has been looking at how this law could impact people who depend and collect child support. Natalie, you spoke to an attorney about this, I guess.
I did, Todd. I'm here at the Bonneville County Courthouse where some child support cases are handled. This law doesn't impact most people collecting child support. It's meant to help people who collect it from a parent who lives in another country. Now, the lawyer I talked to today says this law can help alleviate some of the fears a parent might have.
They just won't be able to afford it. They won't be able to afford getting access to the money that would, ironically, make it possible for them to afford getting that enforced.
That right there is one of the fears people have, and it's often a reality. Attorney Blake Murray says a lot of the time the parent receiving child support is struggling to make ends meet. He says they have to care for their kid just like they did before a divorce or separation.
And without the child support coming in, that could be sometimes impossible for that mother to do. And then if you add on top of that the requirement for them to go to a whole other country or to have their attorney have to negotiate something with a whole other country to try and get that child support paid, that can be sometimes extremely not only cost prohibitive but impossible.
Governor Otter called a special session after a bill that would have made Idaho compliant with federal child support laws was killed during the regular legislative session. This time around, both the House and Senate passed a revised version of that bill.
They can get that enforced. They can get that money because there would be an order that's enforceable in the different country that the paying parent may have relocated to.
Now that the bill passed both the House and the Senate, all that's left is for the governor to sign it into law. Reporting live from the Bonneville County Courthouse, I'm Natalie Shaver.
Okay, we'll be waiting on that signature. Natalie, thank you. This was the first special legislative session since 2006.